So, my morning routine starts with a little prep at night. I make a to do list to give my morning a direction and clarity. Also, I clear my desk to get a positive vibe to study next morning. So, I start my morning by making my bed. It gives me a sense of positivity and makes me feel more clear. To wake myself up, I do three things first. I do some gargles and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face with this Biotic Papaya face wash and cold water. Well, God, it's damn refreshing. Then I wet my feet. But first, as always, I mistakenly open the shower and then I go for the tap. I don't know how, but washing my feet really energizes me for the day. In India, it's summertime now, so I go for Pond's Super Light Gel for moisturizing my face as it hydrates my face really well and it leaves a really good cooling effect. And not to forget, lip balm is a must. Oh yes, I love to smile looking in the mirror every morning, and every day I remind myself two things: carpe diem and I'm up for a reason. So the prepping and waking up is finally done, and now it's time to be productive. My lectures are usually 2 hours long, so I start my morning with learning something new, and also revising somehow makes me sleepy. It makes me sleepy, so I prefer watching the lecture first. By the time the lecture gets over, the sun also rises. So I take a break and have something to drink. And today I've made this cucumber water which I've kept overnight. And yes, it's really good for your skin, and yes, it does detoxify your body. During my break, I love to put on some relaxing sounds. So today I'm listening this singing bowl with water. It's really good. It really suits me, and I feel that it's cleansing my aura. Then I love my me time. I love visualizing. I love manifesting my life. So I enjoy every morning with my drink and fresh air, thinking about my future. Then I tie up my hair and then I put on my shoes and do aerobics for 30 to 40 minutes. To cool down, I just sit and start with meditation. So finally, it's time for the second study session. So I watched second lecture for the day and I finally revised whatever I've done this morning. Then I take a bath and get ready for the rest of the day. And during COVID, I'm not going out, so this is what I'm wearing. Ta-da! So my mom cooks for me, and finally it's breakfast time. So I put on any YouTube video on Netflix and enjoy my breakfast watching that. So yeah, this was the start of my day, and And if you really liked my super productive morning, and if you give it a try, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to know how I'm phasing out from being an all-nighter to a morning person, please comment down below, and I'll make a video on that too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.